Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to open a chat with yourself in WhatsApp on your PC. This feature can come in handy when you want to save important notes, links, or even send yourself reminders. Let's get started. To open a chat with yourself in WhatsApp on your PC, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your PC. Make sure you are logged in to the correct account. Step 2. In the search box located at the top of the screen, type you. As you type, your own account will appear in the search results. Step 3. Tap on your account when it appears in the search results. This will open a chat window with yourself. Step 4. Now you can type the message you want to send to yourself. It could be a reminder, a link, or any important note you want to save. Step 5. Once you have typed your message, simply hit the send button. The message will be sent to your own account, and you can access it whenever you need it. And there you have it. You have successfully opened a chat with yourself in WhatsApp on your PC. This is a great way to keep important information easily accessible and organized within WhatsApp. Feel free to use this feature to send yourself reminders, important links, or even to save notes for future reference. It's like having a personal digital assistant right within WhatsApp. That's all for this tutorial. We hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.